Now it's time for the final princess performer of the night. She recently met in a pretty bad car crash, but now she is ready to write off some of her competitors. Get ready for Suspense.
We are gathered here today to pay tribute to the remaining contestants and to bring comfort to those who are deeply hurt by their sudden loss. Me go done some girl cause in a hard to do it. In a turn it at the top but me walk the street. Me go sweep out the road beside the garbage heap. Hungry dog retreat, watch ya. Some girl say them but me a feel off your seat. Them a dirty clock news wipe off the feet. Them come past stage and I run off them big. And I touch like them sex salt physique. Well me a load step up on me girl mission. I need permission fi done Bambi. That little skirmish one. Somebody tell Ferrari say a word is ya. The crown of my one, I am the worthy one. I am the lyrical dodos, the girly dan. Blood heart get bitter like a surcitan. Call it 30 man, tell if you made them funeral. What I know? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Which girl I got dead on this show? And Japanese, you got to go. Cause Kiki, your friends, your reap up the show. Whatever murder, the two of them at a clicker. And I want me just like a laptop. What's up? That's a good character. What's up now? Easy. What's up? Millie Peel, Willie Peel, Killy Peel. One upon them, Miss Kitty want them. Come past Della Rhymes. Them a get eng. Already element, no left, no evidence. What's up, Abe? Who no must think me a play? Could a big like collect everything I get. Say Ashanara. What's about leprey? Tell that all boy got no answer to. Mat up on them, and the soldier man, them a drop lyrics ban them. And if you ban them, me hotter than them, and the cause a problem. Me and the queen and the back, I do will land them. I look as like them, figure look like white material. Really in the book of love, swag turn up. Till the book of me put a hype, hey girl, shut up. You all the crooked time, what's a eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Which girl I got it? Yeah.
Stop it, Suspense have it. Suspense have it. Suspense, I like your outfit. Woo! Tanto, this one's for you. How suspenseful was Suspense?
Bobby, as I meticulously scrutinize you, I like the way you come out. You have that image to come out to, you know, keep we going on to look at it, to meticulously scrutinize you. And your style is different. I have the style for the people that have everything for the package, Bobby. You're gorgeous, excuse me.